XRP has pumped like crazy, and in fact, it's the only coin today that's in the green out of all 20 coins that we follow. However, our indicators are showing some pretty significant bearish signs, so we need to be taking a look at what's going on. Before we dive into the video though, I want to let you know that there are brand new trade setups. Currently, we are 18 wins with 0 losses, so if you want to get access to these trades, we are absolutely crushing it. Be sure to grab a membership at the links in the description down below. For now, let's dive into the video. So an interesting thing came up. Ripple starts a platform for central banks to issue their CBDCs. Ripple is starting a central bank digital currency platform which allows central banks, governments, and financial institutions to issue their own digital currency. Using Ripple's platform, government institutions can manage and customize the entire life cycle of the CBDC, which includes minting, distribution, redemption, and token burning. Financial institutions would also be able to manage and participate in their interinstitutional settlement and distribution functions using the CBDC. So this is some pretty significant news. If governments and banks really do start to use Ripple for those CBDCs, this is going to be massive for Ripple as a whole and really could send XRP skyrocketing. Ripple is the founder of XRP, and while it is locked in a pretty vicious lawsuit against the SEC, it's really cool to me that Ripple is able to continue making strides in cryptocurrency. With the news in mind, I actually want to take you down to the XRP metrics and check out the technical analysis behind it. With this absolutely massive pump, XRP has pumped into excited territory, and if it continues going upward, I think we could very easily push into greedy. Whenever we see greedy readings, we see moves down. Even if we see excited readings, this often correlates to moves down as well. So as we push into excited and greedy, I'm starting to feel more bearish. Next up is the Ripple Volatility Breakout Detector. We are still seeing tons of volatility. I mean, look at this. Crazy drops, crazy moves up, crazy drops, and yet another crazy pump back up in the market. This is a lot of volatility, so I'm very excited to see that, and I think we could see continued volatility moving forward. Next up, let's check out the Ripple Smart Money metric. After this giant pump, whales are starting to feel a lot more short sentiment in this market. As we push very close to the -600 and -800 range, this is where I'm going to begin looking for moves down. We're not quite there yet, so with that, I think we could see a little bit more of a price move up, but not much more before the next move down comes in. Next up is the Ripple major support and resistance levels. The first posted major structure resistance is 54.7 cents. This is a major structure resistance, and personally, I highly doubt that we'd reach anywhere past that. There's actually a couple structure resistances that I want everyone to check out as we move forward, but that'll be in the live chart. Stay tuned for that, and for now, we're going to move on to the Ripple long versus short trades. Long and short trades are perfectly parallel, perfectly even, and we're not seeing much fluctuations one way or the other. Despite this, there is a lot of price movement, so it could be that other institutions are buying and selling XRP. Last but not least is the Ripple Daily Trade Scanner. Now, we recently got a buy signal. This was a beautiful call that has resulted in a massive move up for XRP, so congratulations to anyone that took a trade there. If you want to get access to the state-of-the-art metrics, you can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the metrics will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you straight to the home page. Remember, we are 18 wins, 0 losses. A membership will include those trade setups for you. All you got to do is click subscribe up here, and it'll bring you to the sign up page. Just enter your information here, and personally, I recommend the full access membership. In fact, if you trade XRP and want to take a look at those metrics, you'll need the full access, because the full access includes metrics across all 20 coins, while the $29 a month basic access only gives you the metrics across 10 coins. The full access will include scalping trade calls, members-only content in the form of future forecasts, and Zoom coaching every single month. You'll get access to our morning view overview, where you get everything you need in a single place every weekday morning, and many more benefits. So if you want to join us, go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are back on the live charts, looking at XRP on the 1-day time frame. The price versus money flow has pumped like crazy and is now in a very high area of its chart. Trend exhaustion has done the same and is actually in its very top red section. Both of these indicate very bearish sentiment, and the last thing we need to see is just a sell signal as we test structure resistance right here. If we get all three of these, this will combine to be one of the most bearish signals you can possibly get in cryptocurrency. So that is what I need all my traders to be looking for. We're actively testing this descending structure resistance on a descending channel pattern, and most often, especially if we're testing resistances, that's going to be bearish as well. At the same time, we're pretty close to a horizontal structure resistance at 48.48 cents. And if we break above that, which I gotta be honest with you, feels unlikely to me, I think it's gonna be closer to the 54-cent mark. But again, I do not expect to break past this. I'm not expecting a breakout at this time. I do think XRP will break out of this descending channel pattern soon, but I do not think it's that time. For now, I'm actually personally expecting a move back down. And the first place I'm looking is the previous buy signal right about here at 41.22 cents. Personally, I think it is very reasonable to expect XRP to drop to this price. From the current price, this is a drop of about 11%. Not too crazy, especially with what it's made over the past few days, but a drop of 11% could hurt some traders. Now, of course, none of this is financial advice, but if you want to follow along with XRP as time moves forward, if you want to start preparing for possible drops in the market for XRP, I highly recommend picking up the indicators. If you want to pick them up, just go ahead and check out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. In order to get the best possible deal, you're going to want to pick up the indicator bundle pack, as this will include the trend exhaustion price versus well money flow, several other indicators for you to try out, and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. To get that coupon, just click on the indicator bundle pack checkout link, click I want this, enter all your information right here, click pay, and it'll offer you to the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. There's a $400 discount offer. Just go and click add to cart. You get that full $400 off. Make sure your information's correct. Go ahead and click pay again, and you should be good to go. With that, we really look forward to trading with you. Be on the lookout for a possible drop in XRP to around the 41.22 cent range. And with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.